Okay, Uniform Rules, Part 202, Civil for 2019 Senior Court Clerks. 202.2, 13 terms in a year, 4-week sessions. Part of court is a unit of court, and the fucking chief administrator must determine the parts of court and the dates of the terms. 2.3, IAS system. So in all Supreme and County Court civil actions, there must be an individual assignment system, aka the IAS system, which causes an action to be assigned to a justice upon the filing of the RJI, which is Request for Judicial Intervention. So this is pretty early on in the case. Basically, you got a summons complaint, an answer, hopefully, and an RJI. Next talks about assignments. So upon the filing of the RJI, an assignment is made by the clerk of the court to an IAS judge. Now, there's exceptions to this, and they're all basically authorized by, guess who? The fucking chief administrator. So you're going to recognize a lot of these. The first one is judge can't handle more cases. They can suspend assignments. So basically slow judges or judges who are assigned really complex type of trial. 2, specialized parts. So like an IDV part like I'm in, matrimonial, med mals, all those kind of things. They can be specifically assigned to judges who handle those. That's an exception to the IAS system. Also to note here, if there's multiple judges, so if there's multiple matrimonial judges, they have to have their own random method. 3, special trial reserve judges, so trial judges. 4, matters requiring immediate disposition, so that would be an emergency judge. 5, the fucking chief administrator may authorize the transfer of any action or proceeding and any matter relating to an action or proceeding from one judge to another in accordance with the needs of the court. So basically the fucking chief administrator can do whatever they want. 6, a dual track assignment system. So the keys to know about this, know that there is such a thing. Assigned to an IAS judge initially, and then when the note of issue and certificate of readiness are filed and a pretrial conference is held, then they can assign it to a trial judge after that stuff happens. We are talking about papers that are filed in the county clerk's office. What has to be on the first page and the cover page. So there's the caption. 2, we have index number, which has to be to the right of the caption. 3, the name of the IAS judge, if any. 4, nature of paper. 5, venue. 6, must comply with 2101 of the CPLR. And 7 is when required an affidavit of service. Outside cover and first page. Caption, index, name of IAS judge, nature, venue, comply with 2101, affidavit of service when required. Then it has a couple of more rules. Papers that are stapled or bound securely shall not be rejected for filing because they're not bound with a backer. So, to review again, so it really sticks in your brain, caption, index, name of IAS judge, nature of paper, venue, comply with 2101, affidavit of service when required. And again, this is talking about papers filed with the county clerk. And now we're going to go to B. So B talks about submission of papers to judge. So this is different because now they're talking about documents that are filed in a courtroom or with the trial clerk in the appropriate clerk's office. So not necessarily with the county clerk. Okay, so there's a different list here of what has to be on those papers. Title, nature, index, judge's name, name of attorney or party submitting them. So what's not in this? There's another list in here, and it's very similar to the list with papers to the county clerk. So let's go over this list. This list has 1, caption or title, 2, nature, 3, index, 4, judge's name, 5, name of attorney or party submitting them. Okay, so this one does not say venue. And again, the biggest difference here is that the one that is submitted to appropriate clerk's office or courtroom, that does not have to have the venue and does not have to have the 2101, apparently. Super easy question to ask. All papers for any judge that are filed in clerk's office shall be promptly delivered to the judge by the clerk. If the judge directs, they can be submitted directly to the judge and then filed with the clerk at the first available opportunity.